Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to go over the great variety of laminate travel trailers found in the line of Jayco White Hawks. An expansive lineup, there are a dozen White Hawk floor plans with a range in length from just over 28 feet all the way up to nearly 38 feet. As far as unloaded weight, they weigh in from nearly 5,900 pounds up to just over 7,900. Of the dozen White Hawk floor plans, 4 of them are family-focused bunkhouse models. First up is the White Hawk 24 MBH. This model sports a single slide with an L-shaped sofa across from an angled entertainment center and double-over-double bunks in the rear campside corner. Up front, you'll find a versatile Murphy bed, and outside, the 24 MBH features an outdoor kitchen. Moving up the bunkhouse line, we find the 29 BH. This also has double-over-double bunks in the campside rear corner, sharing the rear wall with the bathroom. There's a large single slide with U-shaped dinette and trifold sofa across from an L-shaped kitchen and angled entertainment center. Up front is the bedroom with a walk-around queen bed and private access via an exterior entry door. The 29 BH also has an outdoor kitchen. Next up is a 31 BH. This model has a true bunk room with a slide holding a twin bed with trifold sofa underneath. This sits across from an entertainment center with a bunk over it. The living area has a large slide housing the booth dinette and trifold sofa. The main entry is across from the sofa and sits next to the L-shaped kitchen. Up front, the bedroom has a walk-around queen bed and private entry from the exterior. An outdoor kitchen comes standard with the 31 BH. Last of the White Hawk bunkhouses is the 32 BHS. It has the traditional double-over-double bunks in the rear campside corner with the main entry between said bunks in an L-shaped kitchen. The living area slide contains a U-dinette and trifold sofa, which sits across from an angled entertainment center sitting next to the kitchen area. The 32 BHS is fairly unique among the bunk model lineup because it has a slide-out queen bed and large wardrobe all along the front of the RV. The 32 BHS, like many of the other bunk models, also features an outside kitchen. Now we move along to the White Hawk rear bath floor plans. First up, we have the 23 MRB, which is similar to the 24 MBH. However, the bunks are removed to allow for an expansive rear bath covering the entire back wall, and it has a large linen/wardrobe closet. This, along with the versatile Murphy bed, makes the 23 MRB a nice couples travel trailer. Next to the trio of rear bath models is the 27 RB. Its rear bath comes with a large wardrobe so you can have more clothes for an extended trip. The living area has a single slide holding a trifold sofa and U-shaped dinette with the sofa across from an angled entertainment center and L-shaped kitchen. You'll find a private entry door from the exterior to the main bedroom and an outside kitchen. The final White Hawk rear bath model is the 32 KBS. The rear bath is large enough to accommodate a walk-in wardrobe. Up front, its layout is the same as the 32 BHS, but the slide-out bed is king size, and a large dresser with a fireplace sits at the foot of the bed. The kitchen has a very large L-shaped counter and sits across from the large living area slide containing the U-dinette and trifold sofa. Directly across from the trifold sits an expansive entertainment center with a 50-inch TV and a second fireplace. The 32 KNS also features an outside kitchen. Speaking of kitchens, let's take a look at the only White Hawk rear kitchen model, the 26RK. This floor plan has a single slide holding the booth dinette and trifold sofa that sits across from an entertainment center. There's a walk-through bathroom that goes into the bedroom with its walk-around queen bed. The bedroom has a private entry from the exterior, and as you'd expect, the 26RK also has an outside kitchen. Now let's tackle the pair of front living White Hawks, the 29 FLS and 30 FLS. The 29 FLS has a trifold sofa covering the front wall and an off-camp side slide holding a U-dinette. The kitchen is split with fridge and pantry on the off-camp side. You'll find a walk-through bathroom into the rear bedroom where the queen bed sits in a slide. There's private access to the bedroom via an exterior entry door. The 30 FLS is similar to the 29, however the rear bedroom has a king bed, not queen. The bathroom is still walk-through, but the living area entry has been moved to the middle of the model, with the kitchen turned into a more definitive L-shaped counter. The living area slide now houses the U-dinette plus the fridge and pantry. Next up are the final 2 rear living floor plans. The 28RL is a rear living model with swivel chairs and its rear wall. The living area has a large single slide with a trifold sofa and booth dinette, and the same angled entertainment center and L-shaped kitchen as the 27RB. Lastly is a 32RL. This rear living model has a massive living space with opposing slides and a tri-fold sofa covering the entire rear wall. The campside slide houses a booth dinette and theater seats. Opposing slides pull out the kitchen appliances, full-length pantry, and entertainment center with 50-inch TV and fireplace. A huge kitchen island with a bar stool sits in the middle. There's also a walk-through bathroom with a private pocket door access from the bedroom, and the bedroom has a wardrobe slide-out along with a walk-around queen bed. Now that we've all taken a solid look at the Jayco White Hawk floor plans, let's check out some of the White Hawk camp-friendly features. Inside, you'll delight in comfortable amenities such as an arched interior ceiling, residential vinyl flooring, Bluetooth multimedia center with DVD player, ducted AC, USB charging ports, and a LED TV. In the kitchen, you'll get an oven with 3-burner recessed cooktop, a deep split bowl stainless steel sink with a high-rise pull-out faucet, and a skylight with a shade. What will you find on the White Hawk exterior? Amenities such as an enclosed underbelly, power tongue jack, power awning with LED light, and an outside shower. Jayco has a reputation for building great travel trailers that last. The White Hawk is no exception. With the dozen floor plans available, there's no doubt you can find a White Hawk that works well for you and your family's camping needs.